All right, hello you guys. Today our first flip video is going to be addressing Cornell Notes. And I just want to walk you very informally through the process of how we're going to use the Cornell Notes in our world history class. You'll see here an outline of what the Cornell Notes are going to look like. And so in this particular space on your notes page, is where you're going to record notes for flip videos as well as other classroom applications. I want to encourage you to go ahead and use whatever style of notes work best for you. You can fit any type or style of notes into this, whether it's bullet points, whether it's outline, whatever your approach might be. But I want to give you a few tips that are going to be important in considering how you organize your notes. Is to make sure that you try to abbreviate words where you can. Use text type. Use abbreviations that just work for you so that as you write, you can get needed information down in a quick manner. Make sure that you skip lines between major points. And the reason for doing this is so that you can go back to that information and you can add additional details where necessary, or you can incorporate questions or additional points that you come up upon in other readings or other material related to the topic that we're studying. Over here on this side of the Cornell Notes is going to be a column where we will primarily use it for questions. And the purpose of the questions is going to be to tie back into the notes that you've taken. And so what I will have you do is generate typically at least 3 questions based on the notes that you go and take. Whether those notes are, again, in class, off of flip videos, off of readings that we do. And we often will use the Cornell Notes as a different way of annotating text. So these questions are going to be questions that you can tie directly back into the notes. And they will serve a couple of purposes. All right, one is to get you thinking deeper about the content material. And then 2, allow you to actually study that content material. So as a review piece, these questions will be beneficial to you in preparing yourself for quizzes, tests, so forth. The third thing with the Cornell Note format is you're going to see there's a space for the summary at the top. And I'll ask that you do 3 to 4 sentences maximum for your summary. The summary, of course, is going to be based on the notes that you go and take, whatever it is that you're taking the notes for. Okay. The other thing that I'll point out is there will be a space across the top there for you to plug in the essential question or questions. And so I want you to get in the habit of making sure that you do that. So after you've finished watching this video today, what I want you to do is to go back through, and I want you to come prepared to class with 1 question based on the Cornell Note method that you don't understand, that you need clarification for, so that we can have that as a discussion point in our class. Thanks for watching.